How to give up smoking. We all know how harmful smoking is for our system. However, smokers find it difficult to quit even while knowing this. Here's some advice to help you kick this habit for good. Understanding the addiction. When you smoke, nicotine speeds to receptors that trigger the release of dopamine, your body's feel-good chemical. Nicotine causes dopamine to be released in several parts of the brain: the mesolimbic pathway, the corpus striatum, the nucleus accumbens, and the frontal cortex. Managing nicotine withdrawal. The physical symptoms of nicotine withdrawal are rough stuff. Quitters can experience any combination of irritability, anxiety, depression, sweating, headaches, insomnia, confusion, cramps, and weight gain. Craving for nicotine. If you aren't using a nicotine replacement treatment, you may have cravings. Cravings last only a few minutes but will feel much longer at first. Stay busy, especially during the times when you used to smoke. Plan a small snack or distracting task during these times. Irritability. The frustration of leaving your desire for nicotine unfulfilled affects your mood. Know that your emotions will be intensified for the first few weeks after you quit. Anxiety. Smokers with pre-existing anxiety disorders have a harder time quitting. Other quitters may have new feelings of anxiety. Anticipating this frame of mind and knowing that it's related to quitting is the first step. Depression. Some of the prescription drugs for smoke cessation treatment also treat depression. If you are quitting without those, realize that you may start to feel down. If you have planned a support system and engaging distractions for your transition to the non-smoking life, rely on them. Sweating. Metabolic changes and increased circulation after quitting smoking may bring on sweating. Dress to stay cool and drink plenty of water. Tingling in hands and feet. Your circulatory system is making positive adjustments after you quit, which can create some new sensations. A tingle in the extremities is a good thing. Just wait it out. Headache. Could be a circulatory effect or a result of tension and anxiety from craving. You can try deep breathing or meditation to relieve tension. Over-the-counter medications could help, but don't depend on them. Cramps and nausea. Smoking can cause peptic ulcers and other digestive ailments. As your digestive tract recovers from your time as a smoker, you can feel temporary discomfort. Avoid spicy, irritating foods as you wait for this phase to pass. Insomnia. Nicotine is a stimulant, so it has definitely affected your sleep-wake cycle. Treat yourself to extra soothing activities before bedtime. A warm bath, a massage, total quiet. Mental confusion. Nicotine gives smokers focus and clarity. Its absence can make you feel a bit foggy. When confusion takes over, stop. If you are in the middle of a task, take a break. Weight gain. Some smokers fear gaining weight so much they don't attempt to quit. Most quitters gain fewer than 10 pounds. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.